came in the box. AC power supply, toolkit, which includes Allen wrenches, wrench, I'm sure, really cool. Front and rear brake pads, extra. Metal foot pedals. You got a pump, you got a lock. Look at this, I've never seen this. This is a first. Gloves, that's right guys, gloves. A phone holder, cool little headlight. User's guide, some extra tie wraps, and but in the box. That's what came in the box. There you go, guys. The HiKnight H6 Pro. First thing you got to do is we got to get this stem pointed north. So you got to loosen this up, these up right here on the side, 2 screws. The stem, turn it north. All right, guys, there's your handlebars. Let's get all this stuff squared away and turn this bike over. Here we go. It's gonna put on the front wheel. We got rid of this shipping plastic right here. Rid of this little tag right here that's sitting in between the pads. This thing right here. Boom. Let's put the wheel on. Each tire has two washers and a bolt. And you got your nut that goes right there. Remember that, guys, important. Doesn't have anything in the user's guide about how to do it. So you got a spacer, a washer, lock washer, and then a nut. And then same thing on the other side, guys. Make sure that's nice snug right there. Don't tighten them up yet. And you have this little for the front motor. 2 arrows. Make sure they're lined up. What's in there? Make sure that the rotor's not interfering with the brake pads. That's the way it should be. Tighten those up. All right, let's put the pedals on. In the actual thing, righty tighty, lefty tighty. Here's your right one. Here's your left one. Oh yeah. Looking good. All right, let's turn it over. Put the fenders on. Headlight. Check everything out. Should be good to go. Orange, line up the arrows. Boom, you got a light, headlight, and a fender. We got to put these on here. Right side, left side, and we should go. All right, let's put on the rack. We're going to use the same nuts that are holding the back fender on, and these two right here. So there and there. All right, there's your rack. Wow, these some really tiny nuts. That's all nice and safe. I don't know why that light's on. Interesting. Here you go, the HiKnight H6 Pro. Oh, turn the key in, turn it clockwise. Latch under here, you click it, pulls down, comes out. Pause that, check out the battery information. You got a little button right here. Tells you how battery level according to this thing. It's all green, looking good. Doesn't look like there's an on and off button on the battery. Charge it obviously in the bike or outside the bike. That baby right back in there. Pop it up, it's locked. Comes in like 2 or 3 different colors. I'll put it up on the top here. You got a rear rack. You got plastic front and rear fenders. Kickstand, metal pedals, nice saddle too. Big 27-inch tires, 26-inch tires, headlight, front suspension. You got your mid-drift suspension right there. Guys, rear motor, front motor, that's right, 3,000 watts of power. It's It's got a cadence sensor, torque sensor, help you out with the pedaling. Your handlebars right here. I mean left and right grip, left brake, right brake. 7-speed Shimano for the derailleur. Got your display. Comes with a nice cool little phone holder. There's your power controller right there. Got your plus, your minus, your information button, your power button. That headlight button does nothing that I can see. Got your horn, left and right turn signals. That's right. I don't know if you can see those, but that's what it's doing. We'll get a little better picture at night. Always make sure those are off so you're not killing the battery. That's your headlight right there. That is your headlight. There's your cool shocks, big tires, rotors. What's up, buddy? How you doing? You hanging out in the beautiful ocean there? Bars, guys. Half twist throttle over here. 7-speed Shimano up and down. Right brake, left brake. Light on and off. Horn. Left turn, right signal, left signal. One motor or two motors. You got the power right here. Let's turn the power on. There she comes. Charging level, your miles per hour, your odometer, your pedal assist. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then if you hit the info button, it goes from your odometer. You got the trip. You got the time. There you go. It's got everything on there. Everything you can think of. Yeah, let's see what this thing can do. Got in pedal assist 1. Now, when you're in pedal assist 1 and you do the throttle, you're only going to get whatever the pedal assist goes. That's 7 miles an hour. And I'm okay with 7 miles an hour when I'm cruising. When you go to pedal assist 2, and that gets 12, 13 miles an hour. And that's all you want to do over here. The speed limit over here is 15 miles an hour, guys. Respect the speed limit. Remember, always check your city, state rules when you're riding around an e-bike, what's good and what's not good. Helmet, shoes, all that good stuff. Remember, Starboard Bow is not the expert. The expert is, in this case, is HiKnight H6 Pro. Check out with them all their links, all that good stuff's going to be in the description of this video. Man, this thing's a truck. It is a truck. Wow. I can't even get on this thing. I'm 5'8" and a half, and I got to put my leg all the way over the top. I got the seat all the way down. These are made for some big boys. 370, 380 pound rack on the back. 8 hours of charge. Gets up to 90 miles on a charge. Well, and it's because it's got a little tiny ass 52 volt AC power supply. I mean, 2 amps or something like that. It's ridiculously slow charging. But it rides smooth, I'll tell you what, man. Wow. Damn. Oh, yeah. Beautiful ride, I'm telling you. Double check. Boy, this thing is just, I feel it. This is so comfortable. I've been riding this seat without getting off it, I don't know, about 7 miles. And God, you don't even feel the saddle on this. It's a very comfortable ride. Oh, check this out. Yes. Wow. Yeah, she just rides so smooth on this grass. And I like the grass because it's got all the different holes and bumps and everything going around. It handles the different surfaces perfectly. I mean, you got the cruise, you got the, not the cruise, but you have the shocks. Especially with the big fat tires, it helps you to get along on these, you know, bumps. Otherwise, you'd be going, you know, going crazy. You would not be able to ride this if it didn't have any kind of rear shock on it or front shock. And hopefully my camera, my front camera, you know, you can see that on here. Wow, I'm really enjoying this. As you can see, this HiKnight H6 Pro. HiKnight, thanks for sending this model to me. I appreciate getting with me on this collaboration. Anytime I have the opportunity to do a product review for my 100,000 subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. All right, what do you think, guys? I've been riding around on this thing for a couple of days now. All the features that I've mentioned, different things that it's done. I want to go over real quickly some of the pros and cons with this HiKnight H6 Pro. Pros, there's a lot of pros. I'm not even going to go. I mean, the pros are obviously the dual motor, and once you get used to these dual motors, you'll see the benefit of it. Especially if you're going uphill, you want to get both those wheels going at the same time, and once you get to the top, pop off that front wheel, you know, motor, and then you get back to the normal rear motor, because obviously using both motors, you're going to use up the battery a lot. I'm still sitting on 4 bars. I've been riding around with this thing all day, as you can see. So I'm doing pretty good. I've been using the motor in certain cases, but I pretty much like to sit and pedal assist too, and just enjoy the ride like I'm doing now. That's right, guys, the HiKnight H6 Pro. Oh yeah. Beautiful ride. I want to thank HiKnight for sending me the H6 Pro, so I had the opportunity to do a great product review for you guys, especially down here on the beach. It would not be possible unless you had dual motors, nice big 4-inch tires, and beautiful weather like this on the beach. Can't go wrong, guys. Beautiful. Look at the way this thing handles on the sand. Unbelievable. All terrain, baby. All terrain. The HiKnight H6 Pro. 52 volt battery, 20 amp hour, 3,000 watts of pure power. With these tires, it's just so comfortable riding. There's nothing I could say that's a negative about this bike. Yeah, it's a little heavier, but it just handles so nice for such a big bike. It's just crazy. All right, guys, HiKnight H6 Pro, dual motor, 52-volt battery, 20 amp hour. I want to thank HiKnight for collaborating with Starboard Bow on this beautiful product. I hope all my subscribers, viewers, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to comment. Let me know, let HiKnight know what you think of this H6 Pro. What feature you liked, what feature you didn't like. I really would appreciate it. It will make the videos that I supply to you guys so much better. And remember, Starboard Bow is not the expert. The expert in this case is the HiKnight. And this H6 Pro is just doing the job. It is something else. And HiKnight, thank you for supplying all the cool little extras. You got your lock. You got your gloves. You have a pump. You have headlights, turn signals. This thing has everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and all the links, information, my discount code, and all the products that HiKnight has available. We're going to be in the description of this video. Again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys down the road. Have a great day.